Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Hansul. Today we will be making a persimmon upside down cake. The combination of thick, gooey cake base and a sweet yet tangy fruit top makes this cake a true delight. I think you guys will all love it. And now let me show you how to make it. First we're gonna make brown butter for the cake. On medium-low heat, add 1 stick of butter to the pan and constantly stir to prevent it from burning. Once most moisture has evaporated and you start to see dark brown specks, turn off the fire and transfer to a bowl. While the butter is left to chill, let's start the fruit layer. We will start by cutting the persimmon. Cut it crosswise like so and remove all the seeds. Then cut them crosswise in around 5mm intervals. Then skin each and every one of the slices. Set them aside. Next, let's juice the clementines. Cut them in half and juice until we have a 1/4 cup of clementine juice. On the pan we used earlier, melt a 1/4 stick of butter on medium heat. Once melted, add the sugar and mix. When properly mixed, add the clementine juice and mix until the mixture is homogeneous. Once the mixture starts to bubble like this, add the sliced persimmons. After about 30 seconds, flip. And after 30 more seconds, turn off the fire. Now on a cake pan, carefully place the semi-cooked persimmons in a pinwheel direction. Then add the remaining butter mixture to the cake pan. While this is resting, we will make the cake batter. First, let's prep our wet ingredients. Measure 1/2 cup of milk and add lemon juice and vanilla extract. Then mix. Now our dry ingredients. Mix flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and ground cinnamon together. In a separate bowl, add the brown butter we made earlier and brown sugar. Mix them until the color becomes a bit pale like so. To this, we will add 1/2 of the dry ingredients and 1/2 of the wet ingredients. Mix everything together. Then we will add the remaining 1/2 of the wet and dry ingredients. After mixing it all together once more, our cake batter is finished. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. On the cake pan, carefully add the cake batter. Be careful so that the batter does not touch the edge of the cake pan. Once the oven is preheated, put the cake in the oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out of the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Once rested, take a plate that fits the cake pan and put it on top of the pan. Flip it carefully and beat the top of the pan until the cake falls to the plate. Carefully lift the pan and ta-da! We have our upside down persimmon cake. Shall we give it a taste? First, cut a slice. Transfer it to a plate and let's give it a taste. Super moist, gooey, tangy, and sweet. The persimmon works really well with the ground cinnamon. You must all give this a try. That's it for today. Once again, thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch more content from us, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.